Today I'm going to show you the microwave in action. I have some instant mac and cheese. You just put it in the microwave. And it says 45 seconds, so I'm going to put it in for a minute. I like my food hot and even a little bit burnt. So I just set it in there, place that door up. I have the light turned on. Set up here, and when it's done, it just shuts off. That's it. Notice the start button is still pushed in. When I pull the door out, it pops out. And there's a little switch right there. Yeah, it still feels. Put it over there. Do it. Okay, my macaroni and cheese is done. Is it hot? Yeah, it's nice and hot. Very hot. Okay. Anyway, that's the demonstration of the Radar Range 1971. This microwave is 39 years old. Okay, now that my food is done, because my microwave uses lots of power, I shut everything off that uses a lot of power. So turn everything back on. Just my monitors and my audio, and also I shut down all this. I run my CPU at 100% most of the time, so I just shut down the Boink program that uses quite a bit of power, so it's on pause still. Anyway, I'm gonna sit back and have some macaroni and cheese. Also, I'm gonna add some hot peppers. My dad grew these. They're very hot. And I like hot stuff, and these are hot. There you go. Hope all the people out there go out and buy some macaroni and cheese because they saw this video and go, "Ooh, I want some." Don't forget your hot peppers. Bye.